During the winter months, worker bees undergo significant changes in their activities and roles within the hive to ensure the survival of the colony. As the temperatures drop and food sources become scarcer, worker bees shift from their summertime tasks of foraging, nursing brood, and hive maintenance to primarily focusing on temperature regulation and the preservation of resources. They form a cluster within the hive, surrounding the queen and the remaining brood, and collectively shiver their wing muscles to generate heat, maintaining a relatively stable temperature inside the cluster. Thanks for watching this video.